Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm your host Chiraz Kelly, and today we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: government layoffs. With budget cuts, restructuring, and shifts in policy, many governments around the world are considering or already implementing layoffs in the public sector. But what does this mean for the workforce, the economy, and society as a whole? In this video, we'll explore the potential impacts of government layoffs in 2025, the sectors most affected, and how individuals and organizations can prepare for these changes. Let's get started. Why are governments considering layoffs? Before we dive into the impacts, let's understand why governments are considering layoffs in the first place. Several factors are driving this trend. 1. Budget constraints. Many governments are facing significant budget deficits due to economic downturns, increased spending during crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, and rising debt levels. Layoffs are often seen as a way to reduce expenses and balance budgets. 2. Automation and efficiency. Advances in technology and automation are enabling governments to streamline operations, reducing the need for certain roles. For example, AI and digital tools are replacing manual processes in areas like tax collection and administrative tasks. 3. Policy shifts. Changes in political leadership or priorities can lead to restructuring and downsizing. For instance, a shift toward privatization of public services may result in job cuts in government departments. 4. Economic pressures. In some cases, governments are under pressure from international organizations or creditors to implement austerity measures, which often include layoffs. These factors are creating a perfect storm for government layoffs, but the consequences of these cuts are far-reaching and complex. Sectors most affected by government layoffs. Not all government jobs are created equal, and some sectors are more vulnerable to layoffs than others. Here are the areas most likely to be impacted. 1. Administrative and support roles. Jobs in administration, clerical work, and support services are often the first to be cut, as these roles are increasingly being automated or outsourced. 2. Public safety and emergency services. While essential, these sectors may face layoffs due to budget constraints, particularly in regions with declining tax revenues. 3. Education. Teachers, school staff, and higher education employees could be affected by cuts to education budgets, especially in areas with declining enrollment or funding challenges. 4. Healthcare. Public healthcare workers, including nurses, technicians, and administrative staff, may face layoffs as governments look to reduce healthcare spending. 5. Infrastructure and transportation. Jobs in road maintenance, public transit, and infrastructure projects could be at risk if governments prioritize other areas of spending. 6. Social services. Social workers, case managers, and other roles in social services may face cuts as governments reduce funding for welfare programs. These layoffs will have a ripple effect not just on the individuals directly affected, but also on the communities they serve. Economic impacts of government layoffs. Government layoffs don't just affect public sector employees, they have broader economic implications. Here's how. 1. Reduced consumer spending. Public sector employees who lose their jobs will have less disposable income, leading to reduced spending on goods and services. This can hurt local businesses and slow economic growth. 2. Increased unemployment. Layoffs contribute to higher unemployment rates, which can strain social safety nets and increase demand for unemployment benefits and other support services. 3. Loss of expertise. Government layoffs often result in the loss of experienced and skilled workers, which can impact the quality and efficiency of public services. 4. Impact on local economies. In regions where government jobs are a significant part of the economy, layoffs can lead to a decline in property values, reduced tax revenues, and a slowdown in economic activity. 5. Long-term economic growth. Persistent layoffs and austerity measures can undermine long-term economic growth, by reducing public investment in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Social and community impacts. The effects of government layoffs extend beyond the economy, impacting society and communities in profound ways. 1. Reduced access to services. Layoffs in sectors like healthcare, education, and social services can lead to reduced access to essential services, particularly in underserved areas. 2. Increased inequality. Layoffs often disproportionately affect lower-income workers, exacerbating income inequality and social tensions. 3. Mental health challenges. Job loss is a significant source of stress and anxiety, leading to increased mental health issues among affected individuals and their families. 4. Community disruption. Public sector workers are often deeply embedded in their communities. Layoffs can disrupt social networks and community cohesion, particularly in small towns and rural areas. 5. Erosion of trust. Frequent layoffs and cuts to public services can erode public trust in government institutions, leading to political instability and social unrest. How individuals can prepare for government layoffs. If you're a public sector employee concerned about layoffs, here are some steps you can take to prepare. 1. Upskill and reskill. Invest in learning new skills that are in demand, such as digital literacy, data analysis, or project management. Online platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy offer affordable courses. 2. Build a financial cushion. Save as much as possible to create a financial buffer in case of job loss. Consider cutting non-essential expenses and exploring side hustles to supplement your income. 3. Network. Build and maintain a strong professional network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with colleagues and mentors who can provide support and opportunities. 4. Explore alternative careers. Research industries and roles that are growing, such as technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Consider how your skills and experience can be transferred to these sectors. 5. Stay informed. Keep up with news and developments in your sector and government policies that may impact your job. Being informed can help you anticipate changes and take proactive steps. How governments and organizations can mitigate the impact. While layoffs may be necessary in some cases, there are steps governments and organizations can take to mitigate the negative impacts. 1. Transparent communication. Be open and honest with employees about the reasons for layoffs and the steps being taken to support them. 2. Retraining programs. Invest in retraining programs to help affected workers transition to new roles or industries. 3. Support services. Provide access to counseling, financial planning, and job placement services to help laid-off workers navigate the transition. 4. Phased approach. Implement layoffs gradually to minimize the shock to the economy and give workers time to adjust. 5. Focus on growth sectors. Redirect resources toward growing sectors like technology, green energy, and healthcare, creating new job opportunities for displaced workers. Looking ahead to 2025. As we look ahead to 2025, the trend of government layoffs is likely to continue, driven by economic pressures, technological advancements, and policy shifts. However, the way governments and societies respond to these challenges will determine the long-term outcomes. 1. Increased focus on reskilling. Governments and organizations will need to prioritize reskilling and upskilling programs to help workers adapt to changing job markets. 2. Rise of the gig economy. More workers may turn to freelance, contract, or gig work as traditional government jobs become less secure. 3. Greater emphasis on mental health. The mental health impacts of job loss will require greater attention, with increased investment in support services and resources. 4. Policy reforms. Governments may need to rethink austerity measures and explore alternative approaches to balancing budgets, such as increasing revenue through tax reforms or public-private partnerships. 5. Community resilience. Communities will need to come together to support those affected by layoffs, fostering resilience and innovation in the face of economic challenges. And there you have it. What will happen with all the government layoffs in 2025? From economic impacts to social challenges, the effects of these layoffs will be far-reaching and complex. But with the right preparation and support, individuals, organizations, and communities can navigate these changes and emerge stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts on government layoffs, or share how you're preparing for these changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.